Hey everyone, Ralph and Lily back for another video. Today is the day that we are actually doing another change of the guard. So, most of you would know this as Station 3. Now, Station 3 is housing Quint 3, Engine 3, Rescue 3, and Battalion 3. Well, Engine 3 is an old girl that it's finally time for her to switch. We are changing her out with another type of truck. And that truck is soon to arrive. But this is it for the video. It's just showing you that this old girl is going to be gone. She was a 2014 Pierce Arrow XT. Housed an exposed panel pump. And had the simple back to her. But yeah, it's sad to see her go, but it's also great that we're getting a new truck. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!